to the authorities of Research Board of Norway. My topic, as you know, Indo-Norwegian Digital Meta-University, a framework for sustainable collaboration in research and higher education. Here topics will be discussed on why a digital university, why a digital meta-university, objectives of the proposed DMU, key components and attributes of a DMU, scope of DMU, operational mechanism, technological aspects of a DMU, benefit and challenges for a DMU, and why Indo-Norwegian Digital Meta-University, in what way it strengthens and our recommendations with conclusion. I would like to focus on why digital university. A digital university may be considered as an institution of higher learning without walls that provides the functions including delivery of learning and promoting of skills and research of a university through cloud means. Further, the university focuses on the broadest view of learning, which is learner-centered and provides customizable, tailorable, modular academic programs that are activity-based with continuous evaluation. Further, the provisions are to be made so that the quality of Excel presents us with a number of formidable challenges, including the ones due to the following facts. The patterns of trade, competitions and technological innovation are changing at an ever-increasing rate, requiring skill-based production and massive skill training. I am happy to know your focus is on skill training and skill using. Our new Prime Minister, he is focusing on skill-based technology till skill-based education. There is exponential growth of knowledge, again at an ever-increasing rate, dissemination of knowledge. Worldwide social concerns for equitable distribution of resources and for availability of opportunities to all, including universal access for relevant and quality education, like democracy in respect of educational and employment opportunities, rather in all walks of life. In view of exponential growth in expected number of learners and of knowledge at ever faster rate, conventional system of universities can't cope up with the challenge. Why digital meta-university? Now, the DMU is a smart green cloud environment through which joint degree, joint research and other academic activities can be accomplished with the collaboration of industries, research institutes and universities inside and outside the country. Under DMU environment, all collaborative universities would become fully automatic and paperless as a process of adopting and enacting e-governance, collaborative activities at the national and international level. To set up a knowledge umbrella with the collaboration of universities, institutions, research organizations from within the countries and abroad. To encourage the multidisciplinary research work jointly by taking the advantage of individual specialization into consideration. To create powerful and multi-talented minds to handle newer challenges. To create teaching learning environment for the expansion of we may look at essential components of a digital meta-university DMU to provide effective learning environments, including technological infrastructure, including the basic components like PC, laptop or any digital device, internet, www, cloud computing environment, pedagogy, assessment, content, instruction delivery and instructional management, standards, quality and policies. Deployment of hardware and software etc. by itself cannot solve our problems of delivering learning effectively. Appropriate pedagogy tailored to the available technology is essential. Currently pursued pedagogical approach like online collaborative learning refers to an interactive group knowledge building process in which learners actively construct knowledge by formulating ideas into words, exploiting the online facilities including digital resources and collaborative facilities. The concept of DMU is built on Smart Green Cloud, launched by the Open Courseware movement for creation, sharing, upgrading, and dissemination of state-of-art resources for teaching, learning, and research, and for dissemination of knowledge and required skills in equitable manner and in cost-effective way to the learners, irrespective of the locations of learners. Through integrating and synthesizing the relative strengths in respect of infrastructure, resources, administrative and managerial experience of delivering programs to learners on massive scale of the constituent collaborating universities. The DMU primarily opens avenues of employment opportunities in global market through quality learning by accessing and sharing scientific works, teleoperation of experiments, industrial workout and worldwide collaborations. Improves the quality of education through a common global partnership. How the mechanism of DMU operates. The DMU is also necessary to integrate all different conceptions of university like formal university, virtual distance education, online university, meta university, corporate university, smart university, everything to establish science and technology parks, research parks and industrial parks within digital boundary of the DMU. Even if it is not possible to set up industries within the physical boundary of the DMU. This is operational mechanism of DMU like collaborative teaching, learning, research and development, collaboration between universities, industries and institutes like this. These are the technical aspects of DMU. Activities towards the overall implementation of dynamic modeling of different technologies like smart green cloud, interactive digital smart class, as well as smart research labs. Design and development of smart green cloud for implementation of DMU framework. A high performance web server would be procured for development of DMU cloud software so that universities may commence its further activity. This is the technological aspect of DMU like green computing, web of things, internet things, embedded computing, smart computing, cloud computing, etc. What are the benefits of DMU? It would also be beginning of travel-free and distance-less education system. I would like to focus on, again, it is a travel-free education and distance-less education system. It would also strengthen and encourage stabilization of Indian and Norwegian collaboration in the field of education and research. It would be one of the most highly advisable steps of the Government of India to realize the concept of Digital India through DMU. The university would become automatic, paperless and e-governance compatible university on application of DMU environment. The DMU will bring industries and corporate companies within the physical boundaries of constituent universities of DMU closer, so as they may cooperate in research. Further, through DMU, digital science parks, digital technology parks, digital industrial parks would be established in the vicinity of concerned universities conveniently. See, digital meta university like smart university, meta university, virtual university, online university, distance education university. Indira Gandhi Open University is the biggest Open University in India or even abroad, e-governance, fully automated, paperless university, digital university, smart university. Okay, now we can discuss challenges for a DMU. Rightly, we may all thinking like this: social and cultural challenges. Technology does not exist in vacuum. It affects and is affected by its interaction with social, economic, and cultural context. How the technology is used so that instead of creating digital divide, it ensures equitable access and prudent spending, etc. Like quality also, including edge research, a leading edge research, collaborative teaching, learning, research, and digital education. Expert zone also. Now another question of I would like to focus: why Indo-Norwegian Digital Meta University? What is the necessity? The concept of DMU allows the university is even to million plus students. In view of different relative strengths of universities in the two countries, like India and Norway, any collaboration is highly desirable. I would like to give some recommendations for Indo-Norwegian Digital Meta University. Selected universities, institutes, and industries from each of India and Norway can sign an MOU for implementation of DMU in the larger interests of the society through education and research. After signing MOU, a smart green cloud will be developed anywhere in the world for all the parties for creation of one single digital domain. Joint research courses and joint degrees may also be offered and awarded. I would like to conclude with a few these words. With the joint efforts of both Indian and Norwegian universities, institutes, and governmental agencies, Indo-Norwegian Digital Meta University (INDMU) framework would be formulated and developed. For this purpose, smart green cloud would be designed and developed. And while implementing INDMU framework, it would also be necessary to set up separate real-time interactive smart classes and interactive smart research labs. Thank you.